Here's how to recover a hacked Instagram account. First, launch open the Instagram app on your phone. On the login screen, you want to tap on Forgotten Password option. If the hacker has changed your username, instead of entering that, you can enter your email address or tap on the Find by Mobile Number option, then enter your mobile number. Now tap on Continue and locate your account. Try to recover your account by following the on-screen process. But if you are unable to recover your Instagram account, then what you can do is open up any web browser. Now search Instagram account hack. Here, open the recovery page. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your email address, username, or mobile number to find your account. Then, depending on your situation, Instagram may ask you to verify your identity. In many cases, you'll be asked to record a short video selfie by turning your head in different directions. Complete the verification exactly as instructed and submit it. After that, wait for the Instagram to review your request. The review process may take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Once you have regained access to your account, open Instagram, then tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. On your settings page, tap on Account Center. Here, tap on Password and Security, then tap on Change Password. Now go ahead and change your password. Next, head back, then select Two-Factor Authentication. Make sure that you have enabled this as well. And that's it. With this method, you can recover your hacked Instagram account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.